Hi, to enable and disable flashlight on your Poco F6, we have several ways. The first one is you can just simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find the start icon. And now to enable it, you will need to tap it once, so it will be orange, and the flashlight is enabled now. Tap it again, and it would be disabled. And the second option, which is more convenient in my opinion, you can just go in the settings. Here scroll to check additional settings, then go in the gesture shortcuts and enable double press the power button to turn on flashlight. So just tap on the switcher like that, and now you would need to simply double press the power button to enable flashlight. Let's try this out. So I'm gonna press the double button and the flashlight is enabled. Let's press it again and it will be disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.